Lesson 01. Hello RTLStudio. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. You would print to the simulation log with display and verify a one-wire design. Run simulation, read the log, finish a tiny test bench, and see how the DOT is instantiated. RTLStudio simulates with Icarus Verilog. Display writes to the log. Hash delay advances time. Finish ends cleanly. The test bench drives inputs. The DOT sits inside as your DOT. The picture is simple, register A, wire Y, and the DOT in the middle. Your only todo is in the student test bench. Replace the placeholder inside display. Type hello RTLStudio world, then save with Ctrl S. Open simulation and press run. In the log, your display lines show up in blue. That greeting is the hello world of this lesson. You should also see A equals Y for 0 and 1, then pass. The log gives immediate feedback between code and behavior. Quick review. The DOT is one assigned, Y always follows A. The test bench declares register A and wire Y, instantiates by name, then walks the stimulus with delays and display. That is Hello RTLStudio. See you in the next lesson.